Looking for ways to crack your lower back? Check out these helpful tips to relieve tension and improve flexibility. 1. Perform gentle stretches and exercises that target the lower back, such as knee-to-chest stretches, pelvic tilts, and cat-cow stretches, to help relieve tension and improve flexibility. 2. Apply heat therapy, such as a hot water bottle or heating pad, to the affected area to relax and loosen the muscles in the lower back. 3. Seek professional help from a chiropractor or physical therapist who can provide specific techniques, such as spinal adjustments or manual therapy, to alleviate lower back pain and restore proper alignment.